And Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth South-Western Floyd Green visited the community of Parottee on Friday, responding to the residents' concerns about the state of the community post-Melissa.
We're working with NEPA and International Wetlands Day. We will be here to do a comprehensive cleanup of the Parottee, not only the community but the mangroves, so that we can start the process of restoring the mangroves in Parottee. I think they also know that the extent of the damage across Southwest St. Elizabeth means that there are multiple communities, especially those on the coast, that require this sort of attention. And I also know that part of their challenge is in relation to their shelter replacement, shelter repair, getting back their houses up and running, and the government has now announced the shelter replacement program, the ROOS program, and those grants will start next week.
As for the issue of water,
we are going to be installing a 2,500-gallon water tank on the fishing beach in Parottee to help treat with some of the water issues. Since Hurricane Melissa, it has been very difficult for the residents to get water. While trucks do come, it is, in terms of the consistency, they will still have some difficulty. The idea is not only will the trucks come and deliver to the households, we will fill the tank regularly so that they can come into the area and get tanks.
He says ice will be distributed twice per week, particularly to help fishers properly store their catch.